Meron muna tayong online class. May nag-online class ako. Ito yung teacher ko, si Teacher Jane. And meron kaming dalawang student. Si Elsa at saka si Sarah. Ayan, ang evening routine ko, mag-online class. Tapos, bago matulog, magpipray din. Ito yung Bible ko. Easy to read version. Madali siyang intindihin. And, yes, magpipray ako. Nasa Book of Revelation tayo. Sa Book of Revelation ako. Nasa chapter 8. Yan. Almost patapos na yung book na to. Yung Bible. And yung Bible na to. And then, mag-start ulit ako sa Genesis. Start tayo sa Genesis ulit. Yan. Meron akong Bible na darating from the Philippines, NIV. Hopefully, mga February, dumating dito sa Pinas. Meron akong mga kapatid na pupunta or mini reunion kami. So, pupunta sila dito sa Vietnam with my two younger sisters and my eldest sister coming from the US. Yan. Ito naman ang aking mga alagang hayop. My pets. Cotton. Madumi na si Cotton. Walang grooming. And this is Curly. My black dog. Curly. Curly. Show your face, Curly. Oh, yan. Very beautiful ang aming Curly. Is a girl. And then, we have also a cat. Minga. A boy. Na laging gustong lumabas. Yan. Ayan. Ito yung aking place dito sa Vietnam. Nasa third floor ako nito. Ayan. This is my living room. Ito, my living room. Nag-house tour na bigla. Yan. I'm a minimalist. Ayoko na masyadong maraming naka-display. As much as possible. Ito. This is our picture when we were in Playco. Yan. Mga kaibigan ng my family. Ito yung aking missionary dispatch. You see how long it is, 2008. This is my favorite verse, Acts 20:24. Yeah, see? Missionary to Vietnam. From the Paul Mission. Yan, ito yung aking picture. Ito, pinapicturean ko to nung tagal na to. So, ngayon may wrinkles na tayo. Ito. Parang magaling sila magpicture ng ganyan eh. Kasi yung kanilang mga ancestors, nagaganyan sila. Ginagawa nila ng parang sketch. And then, this is me when we visited Landmark 81. Ito yung pinakamataas na building dito. We had a souvenir photo. Yeah. What else? That is with my sister. We visited that. That is me at CCF East. When I was single. Yeah, long time ago. Yeah. And of course, this is my balcony. Yan, medyo luma na tong bahay. And there is a bridge, kaya lang hindi natin makita gabi na. Bridge siya, yung tinatawag na Fumi Bridge. And maraming apartment buildings din. I'm on the 3rd floor. Yan, maraming yan, yung mga apartment building din yan. another yan, mga apartment buildings din. So, yun. Cannot. Ito yun din yung aking favorite verse. Be still and know that I'm God. Para lang hindi lagi mag-worry. This is a gift. It is made from rice. Rice, parang rice. Tawag doon. Butil ng bigas. Ito ibigay ng mga estudyante ko sa UEH in 2021. Wow. Thank you, UEH students. Ayan. And also another, sorry, ang kalat ng bahay ko. Ito rin, another favorite verse. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. Another verse. It's a gift. So, nung Christmas, ito naman from my sister-in-law. It's a gift from my students. They know I have cats and dogs, so they give me this one. Yan. And what else? Oh, kalat. Sorry. Yeah, and this is my small kitchen. Medyo madilim, di nakabukas. Small kitchen. Biglang naging na tayo, no? House tour. Anyway, yeah. This is my bedroom. Hindi natin natitingnan. And this is another room. Medyo walang gumagamit. So, kaganyan makalat. So, yeah. That is what I'm doing at the evening. In the evening, later on, magkakaroon kami ng Bible study. Yan na. Kaya, I don't know how to make it